An easy match for you guys, but you did get the 3-0 sweep. How important is it to start conference off 2-0?
Well, any win on the conference on the road is a good win, and we went 3-0. We led most of the time a little bit in Game 3. We got behind, played a little sloppy, and then picked it up. But I'm really happy that we won 2 on the road. It was a rough road trip, with the traveling in between schools and stuff, but overall it's good, and we're off to a 2-0 start. We can go home and work on some of the things we need to work on, and there are things after the weekend that we definitely got to tighten up before Utah State on Thursday.
Chantel Riddle got her 5th double of the season with 15 kills and 12 digs. Talk about how she's kind of leading this team and taking them to that next level.
Well, she had another great match. I mean, the bigger thing is she had 15 kills, but she only had 30 swings, so she put 50% of her balls away, had another big hitting percentage. She's taking care of the ball for us. She had 15 kills, 12 digs, had 5 blocks. Again, her blocking numbers are just phenomenal, and she's getting it all done for us. And Hannah is too. Hannah's getting her the ball. Hannah's finding the hitters in the right place. And numbers-wise, our team is getting better and going the right direction. And I'd like to see a little more chemistry and a little more just dynamics in the group. But I definitely think we're doing what we need to right now.
Going into next week, you have a little bit tougher matches. Utah State was ranked 3rd in preseason poll. Talk about what you guys can do against them and Boise State.
Well, they're both doing different things. Utah State is a big team, and they come at you, and we had good luck with them last year, but they're a really good team, and we got to be ready to play. We've got to beat them in the basics and then win the net battle at the net. And Boise State's a team, they're really different. They come at you fast. They run a lot of different things, and it's more about court awareness and being prepared and knowing where your hitters are. But they do a lot of different things, and they're playing really well right now. They had a great win over Wyoming the other night, and Sean just always does a great job. And that's the other thing. Both teams we play have great coaches this weekend. We've got to be ready. We've got to make adjustments and get things done. But I'm confident we'll have a good week and be back at it.